Hello everyone, this is Kien. Today, I will introduce to you how to use the smart key of the Yamaha NVX scooter. First of all, this is the key. You just need to press it once and the scooter will make a sound and the lights will turn on. This is the function of finding your scooter in a garage, which is very useful when there are many scooters in the garage. When I press and hold the button on the key for more than 2 seconds, the key will flash slowly in red, indicating that all the functions of the scooter have been turned off or locked, and you will see that I cannot start the scooter. When I hold the button again for about 2 seconds, the key will flash quickly in red, allowing you to use the key to start the scooter. The ignition switch of the scooter has 2 twist positions. The first position is used to open the trunk and the fuel cap. The second position is used to unlock the scooter's electrical system, enabling you to start the scooter. To turn off the ignition of the scooter, simply twist the key back to both positions, and remember to twist both positions. To lock the steering column of the scooter, you just need to push down the key and twist it in the opposite direction of the clock by 1 position, and that's how you use the smart key. See you next time.